All right, y'all. So for this assignment, these are the guidelines right here, right? That what you need to do to be successful. So the first thing you want to do, the objective of this, create a website on Google Sites about one of your passions, right? So I made that the topic just so it's something you don't have to do a lot of research on because you should already know this, right? So it's going to make it a little bit easier that you don't have to do the research. Try to find something that you already know, right? So I was kind of looking over y'all's about me assignments, and some of you all were into like certain video games, certain movies. Some of you all had your own companies, like whatever it is that you're interested in. Focus on that, right? So that you don't have to do a lot of research. You just kind of already know this information. Right. So identify that passion. Like I said, or like it says here, a hobby, a cause you care about, a skill you developed. Some people mention like braiding or nails or um, barber, hair cutting skills. And so something that you know. Right. So define your purpose. Like, what is it that you want others to know about your passion? Do you want to educate them? Maybe you can give them just like a quick tutorial on like, this is how you do this, or this is how you do that. Or maybe just inspire them. Like, just say, when I first started out, I didn't know how to do this, but, and then show them like, some of the work that you can do, maybe pictures of that. Just inform them like, what is it that you are into? If it's like a video game or a movie that you're really passionate about, just inform them about that or entertain them, right? Just make it funny, make it just something that they can be entertained by. And so, again, this part is just choosing something that you know about. So after that, what we're gonna do, we're gonna plan the website. So we're gonna try to keep it real basic. We're just gonna have an about page. We're just gonna introduce your passion and what visitors will find on your site. So let me just use this example. Like me, I like grilling, right? I like barbecuing, and so let's just say that that would be my passion, right? And what visitors will find on my site, I am going to just give them the basics of grilling, right, or the basics of barbecuing, and so that would be my homepage, and I'll show you how you're going to use this in a little bit. My about page, share a bit about yourself and why this passion is important. I'll just say like I kind of grew in like a rural area where there was a lot of trees, and we just like go and chop them down or just take ones that had fallen and just put them in the barbecue pit. And I learned how to cook on a barbecue pit like at a really early age, and so that's why I really love to grill. Right, and so that's the passion part. And then here in these two pages, so what I would probably do is maybe give like two different like it says a content page and two of them. So one page I will just maybe give like a recipe for one thing, and then on the other page like a recipe for something else, right? Or if you wanted to do braiding or nails or barber hair cutting, then you could just do like one page on like the basics and then like another page on like how you actually do whatever you need to do, right? And I'll walk around and help you all as you all are doing this. And so it's basically just going to be these four pages right here, right? A home page, about page, content pages, two of them, right? So it's a lot like Google Slides. So one of the things you're going to do first is access Google Sites, and you all have that. You can use it in your student account. So we're going to go to create a new site. We're going to build the website. We'll choose a theme, add pages, insert content. And I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to walk you through all these in this video. You're going to write your content. So again, I'll walk you through this, just kind of point out the headings and add show you how to do the visuals and link to resources. We probably won't do a whole lot of this. We're just going to keep it basic, right? And then kind of show you some of these other parts of it, putting in the navigation stuff. Uh, and we'll get back to these in a little bit. But right now, what I wanted to show you is just go ahead and open a new tab. And then what you're going to do is look for this one right here that says sites. Sometimes you have to scroll all the way down here to find it. Just go ahead and do that. And when you do see it, click sites. All right. So a lot of you all use Google Slides or said you were familiar with Google Slides. If not, that's fine. Like I said, I'm going to walk you through it, and it is very similar in some ways to Google Slides, right? So you just open up a blank one. And this is a cool thing, y'all. If you know how to do one, like it makes the other ones easy how to use other parts of Google, right? This is called Google. This is called the Google Suite. If you apply for jobs, you can let them know if you know all of these different Google apps. You can just say, I know the Google Suite, right? But so again, right here is the title page, right? So for the title page, y'all, you're just going to go ahead and put whatever it is that you are going to be writing about. So I guess for me, I will write about grilling, right? That's what I was talking about. And so um, I will say grilling 101. And 101 just means like the basics, right? In college, when you take a 101 class, it means you're just taking like the basic class. So I'm just going to put grilling 101. You can see here, y'all, you can change the fonts if you want like something a little bit different. You can, let me do this really quick. Yeah, highlight it, make it a little bit different. I made this bigger. And this little thing, like I'm just going to move it to the center. Right. And so just name it whatever you want. Then here you can put like an image in the background. So don't do upload because it just adds more work. Just do select, and let me see if I can find something that is. And again, I'm not going to make it too complicated, right? I would like to find something maybe like with a barbecue type theme or something, but I'm not seeing that. But I don't want to like get too carried away with that. So I'm just going to choose something. I'll just choose that. Right. And so there you have that part, right? You have like whatever it is, your title, and then I just put that thing in the background just to give it some color. And so here is your main thing. When you see this, y'all insert right here text box. So if you want to add some more images or if you want to add some writing, you would just do that. Right. If you want to get rid of it, just do that to get rid of it. That just undoes it. Don't worry about embed and drive and all these other things. Just focus on if you want to add more text, do that. But this is the important part right here. These content blocks. You see how they are? They have a picture and some writing right there, right? If you were to choose this, you would just drag it right there, and then you see you would put a picture here. I'm just going to add just some random picture, right? All right. And so right here, that's basically what I'm going to call it, right? It's just grilling made easy. And I am going to just go ahead and just write a quick, super short introduction. All right, y'all. So this is what I came up with, right? Grilling made easy, and I just wanted again, this is doesn't have to be super long and complicated. So I have a passion for grilling and for keeping things simple. I'm going to share my passions with you and show you how to grill delicious meats without a lot of hassle. Right. So I'm just going to go ahead and put like create one page with just like a super short recipe and another one with just a super short recipe too. Right. So that's all I'm going to do for this one. If y'all wanted to get fancy and creative, you could add different things. Like if you just wanted to add a few different pictures, let me just show you how to do that. You would just go back to select image and let's just go ahead and do, whoops, Google Images again and go back to grilling. And let me just choose a few other ones. Let's put these in there. Let's put this there. Oh, I think it only does one at a time. All right, let's go ahead and insert that one. Then here. And there you go, right? I'm just adding a few more pictures, make it more colorful and a little bit more exciting, but you don't have to do that, right? You could just go with that first one. And so this would be your homepage, y'all. And remember, you will have enough time to work on it. So this is how you would do the about page.